Hey everyone, Fritz here. Welcome back to SVBimmer, where we have a small secret here. So welcome to our secret playlist. As you can see here, we have this exhaust system that we're about to install on a Porsche GT3. Let's get into the video. Here we have an Innotek Performance Exhaust, iPE for short, made from lightweight titanium and finished off with carbon fiber tips. This kit even includes 2 remotes to control the actuation of the Valvetronic muffler, which, if you listen to the sound clips at the end, make quite a noticeable difference. This performance-minded exhaust will be going on this astonishing Porsche GT3. And for those of you who don't know, the GT3 actually draws direct inspiration from the 911. You could even consider it the high performance model of the 911. And just like the 911, this Porsche's heart and soul lies in the rear of the car. Because of the precise fitment of the GT3's engine and exhaust system, in such a small area, we will be removing things like the bumper, tail lights, heat shields, and other panels in the area. But don't worry, because this GT3 gets the same care and attention we put into every BMW that comes into SVBimmer. Once all of the paneling in the area is removed, we now have access to the OEM 3-piece exhaust. And once that's removed, we can place in the iPE, which is 100% bolt-on, borrowing from that same 3-piece design as OEM. There's no cutting or welding necessary. Just align the iPE to the cats and tighten down with the supplied clamps. From this design, you can see exactly where the weight savings of 14 kilograms took place. That's a 53% reduction in weight from 26 kilograms all the way down to 12. And beyond the weight savings, this exhaust system boasts performance gains of 28 horsepower and 23 foot-pounds of torque. We even think that you'll agree with us that this exhaust system is so beautiful and tastefully crafted that it's a shame that we have to cover it up. But as you'll see, or I should say here in a second, you'll never forget that you have the iPE, the Innotek Performance Exhaust, in your Porsche GT3. Just like our secret, you can't hide that GT3 anymore. Well, unless you decide to close the flaps, but even then, it's still super noticeable. But if you enjoyed this new style type of content with us featuring higher end cars like Porsches, let us know by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. That way you don't miss out on these type of videos, but also don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any and all of your BMW needs. If you have any questions for us, please leave it down in the comment section below, and we'll see all of you guys in the next one.